I know some orange monkey pooped on people. I don't poop on people, but I would like to really compost my poop because you can compost it and use it like 2 years later. It just takes time. Time is alright. Shit takes time. Anyhow, instead of dumping it to the ocean, you can actually compost it. Interesting. Very interesting shit. Huh? Or you can compost shit. Human shit. You just have to do it right. Anyhow, it's better than dumping it to the wherever you're dumping it, to the lakes, to the that. You know, it's good for some environment, but it's not like that. Not in like industrial size that you guys do it. Anyhow, I bet those people who make the big pools of shit, you know, they have to like make it all not be bad for the ocean. I bet that energy can go into much better places. Please, guys, just be smart about shit.